right, so today, as I said in the introduction, I'm going to show you another network I'm using as an affiliate marketer to make money online. So when people want to start making money online, what they do, they search how to make money online, and ClickBank is one of the best, the most popular way to make money online as a beginner, but it's also the most known affiliate network, means that this is the one with the most competitions. So um, I wanted to try something else and see if it works as well on other network, and I discovered this network here in my searches to make money online on different networks as an affiliate marketer. It's called Click Better. And as you can see, I'm going to refresh to make sure nobody say that this is a screenshot, this is fake. As you can see, these we are on the current week of the 20th of May. And I made the last week. It's not a lot of money, but for you folks that are struggling to make the first $1 online, if you are able to make this couple of $100, I think it would help you. As you can see on paychecks, I still have money coming in. And what I did basically, it was really easy. I subscribed to receive new product launch, and I received an email saying that there is a new forex product um, launch in the couple of days. So what I did, I just clicked. I think this is the one, Onyx Scalper. As you can see, Onyx Scalper. Let's see, promote. Okay, let's see what it looks like. So this is the one. All I did is to do a quick video using InVideo. InVideo, as I showed you in my couple of videos, I use this video software online to create my videos. All I did, I used this feature right there. I copied my link and I created a video and put it on YouTube. That's it. This is what I did, and it ranked really fast because there were no competition at all, and I make a few sales using this method. You can do the same. This is one of the tools right there, but there's a lot of launches coming in. All you have to do is to subscribe to their newsletter and be one of the first to do a video. And all I did as well, I went on Fiverr and I asked to create a product review for me. And it was basically a 1,000 word article. A 1,000 word article for $5, and I put it on my blog. So in case someone in the video wanted a more in-depth review, they could click on my on the link and have a more in-depth review on my blog. So this is exactly what I did, and I made these sales I showed you on my dashboard. So the past 2 weeks and the other ones I make before that. So I'm using this method, and it's working very well for me. So if you are struggling to make your first money online and you want to start having a side business, I'm not saying that you're going to be rich with this, but at least if you're able to make a couple $100 per week, this would be uh, something to start with. And after that, you can invest that money in paid ads, and this way you'll be able to scale your affiliate marketing business as I'm doing right now. This is the best way to start just go and find some other networks. There's a ton of them. In my future video, I'm going to show you other ones that I'm using. So today's video, I'm going to focus on Click Better, but there's a lot of them out there. So that's it, guys. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't just go on ClickBank and think that this is the only network that exists if you want to make money online. So just go and explore other options out there. All right. So until the next video. Oh, don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you like the video. Subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell because I'm not stopping dropping these video for you in order to help you scale your business, start making your first money online. All right. So until next time, thanks for watching.